Check this out. And one thing even better, when I decide to close this door a little bit faster. Yeah, it's like an airplane taking off in my toilet. Hello my friends and welcome to the Rookie Handyman. As you could see, something's definitely not okay with this fan right here. Something is grinding inside and yeah, we need to fix that, right? As you can see, you should clean your fan from time to time. Do not let it get this dirty. All right, let's plug it in. As you can see, like this, it's working perfectly. But in this position, something is not okay. Like this, it's again working perfectly. Like this, good. Not okay. This, not okay. Make sure to not put your fingers in there because, yeah, you won't have fingers anymore. As you can see, this is the ring that goes on the back side of this fan. Now here it's going to fit right in there, and once it fits in there, we have this clappers that goes on right here, and it's working perfectly fine. But because on this ring we have these little small pieces right here, these four, how should I call it, plastic parts that are just sticking out from this ring. And once I integrate this ring on my fan, as you can see right here, this plastic part is what's in the way of my fan propeller. And here, see it? And then when I turn fan a little bit faster, as you can see, it's working, but you can hear it touching this small part right here. We have two possible solutions for this problem right here. Now, solution number one is to take this ring and these flappers and just throw them away. That means your fan will be working perfectly, it will rotate itself and it won't make all that scary noise anymore. But one problem with that solution is that this means that you have open space behind your fan, which means that everything that is in a chimney can come into your apartment. For example, bad smells, or I don't know, smoke from some other apartment maybe, or I don't know, bugs, ghosts, bats, or whatever lives in a chimney, right? So I don't think that this is an option that my wife would agree on. So basically option number two is, yeah, we're gonna repair this fan, brother, we are not wasting it. Option number two is take a simple knife, take a look at these small plastic parts and just remove them with your knife. I'm not sure what they are for. If you know what they are for and what is their purpose, please write me in the comments, because I'm very curious if I'm making this situation more worse or am I making it better. Okay, let's install everything back right here. This ring is in, right? One flapper is in. Let's install the second flapper. Now you have to be very careful how to position these springs right here. As you can see, you want both of these spring edges to be outside, on the outside part of this fan like this, because fan is pushing air to the outside and it will open like this. But once you switch off the fan, basically the air will stop pushing these flappers and you want them to return to original position and to close off this opening right here. So when your fan is in the wall, in natural switched off position, it should be like closed off like this. Perfect. Let's try it. Beautiful, working. Working. Do we hear any noise? Do we hear any noise? Do we hear anything? No, we don't. That's correct. Why? Because we are able to fix things.